Hey guys, welcome back to Just a Mum Winging It. We are off to see Santa today, so I thought we would do a vlog today. So we're going to go up to the outlet. The kids are off school because it's the election, so the school's closed for voting. Yeah, so we'll take you with us. Today's outfit, done my hair curly, red lip here, and denim dress, and a black top, and leggings. Easy peasy. So let's go and get ready. Are you ready, Florence? Are you sure? Look what the elves have done. Look at all that mess. Are you taking those gloves? Right, you'll run out of lip balm if you keep putting it on every 30 seconds. Teddy went to the groomers the other day, didn't you, Ted? You're going to say hi? And he's so soft and he had his bum lips. Oh, what are you doing? And Chezzy had a bath, didn't you, Chezzy? You playing, boys? What are you doing? What are you doing? Hello? Hello? Who is it? Is there a car outside? Is there a car outside, Chez? Who is it? Who is it, Chez? Who is it, Chez? Teddy, what are you doing? Are you ready, Joel? Are you taking your elves? Right, Rupert, can you put your nice warm coat on with your hood because it's chucking it down with rain, mate? Rupert, just leave its dressing gown on, it's fine. No, we've not got time to go now. You'll have to get it changed in the car. I want you to go and change your coat though, please. You've got the wrong coat on. Good morning. You ready? Right, let me get everybody else have these issues with the kids. Start arguing. And then this spoiler is not coming. Okay, so Rupert's not coming. Just gone back to see if he wants to come and he's not coming. So we're not going to get a nice family photo of me and my kids this Christmas together seeing Santa. Because Rupert doesn't want to come now. So let's go. See you up there, guys. Right guys, we're at the Park again, or East Midlands Designer Outlet as it's now called. See the sign? Are you going to show the sign?
There's the sign.
Right, so we're heading in. We need to, oh god, it's so busy. This is why I wanted to get here for like 7:30 this morning. Well, that didn't happen.
It is now
11:09.
11:09.
10 past, yeah, 10 past 11.
New car park open now. Ooh.
Right. Right, we're here, guys. Let's go and see Santa, shall we?
Yes.
We had to drive home because we got a phone call
From
from
little
this
Rupert.
one.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, yep.
Aren't you?
Hello.
Oh, look at that. Look at all the pretty decorations. I know, look, it's got baubles around its neck. Right, shall we go and see if we can find where Santa is? We're going to see Santa first. Go and see Santa.
Oh my god, Mum, look at all the lights.
Oh yeah, look at all those, look. It's pretty decorations. Oh, there's Costa. We'll call in there and get a hot chocolate when we're done. I wonder if that's what's that doggy. I wonder if that's Santa's grotto there. Ooh, look. It looks bigger than last year. Is there a massive Let's go and get in the cute look. Doesn't look too bad. What are you going to ask Santa for, Joel?
A new smart TV.
Yeah.
And a ring alarm system to protect my thing.
Okay, Florence, what are you going to ask Santa for? What are you going to ask Santa for? An air track?
Gymnastics bars.
Gymnastics bars.
I'm asking Santa for an air track, an Xbox One, some DS. No, an Xbox, some DS games, and a DS case.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
And some games for Xbox.
I'm waiting to go in.
Yeah, I got my own. I got my own.
Yeah, did you bring yours, Florence? Got yours,
Yeah.
Rupert? You keeping him nice and warm in your coat? Yeah. We'll be going in soon. There's all pretty lights inside. Have you just seen Santa? Guys, have you just seen Santa? Yeah. What did you get from Santa? What did we give you? What is it? Chocolate sweetie. I'm going to get a picture now. Oh, look at this cute little room, look. How cute is this room?
There's a naughty afternoon there, boys.
Yeah. You got your Christmas drinks. What you got? Hot chocolate. There's marshmallow inside there as well. There's marshmallow inside. There's marshmallow inside. Yeah, it's melting.
How are we going to get to it?
It'll melt and then you'll drink it. Yeah? Right. It's chucking it down rain. We are going to walk back to the car. We're back. I'm seeing Santa. I've just finished working. Mark's still working. I'm gonna make us a cup of tea. Where's your mug? Right there. There's Joel. The kids are having their lunch and writing their Christmas cards out. Have you done your cards, Rupert? Have you done yours, Florence?
I know who I'm missing. I'm missing
Who's the best?
I know who so I've got Neve, Stephen. Now he's giving these two plates.
Okay. Oh, I need some more tea bags. Where's all the tea bags? Oh.
I've got Ellen, Wilson, Charlie, Matthew, Lottie, Ollie, Isaac, Sam, Max, and Liam. That's all. And who do you have got? Yeah.
Here you go. Tired? Cut up. Hiya. Aww. Hey Teddy! Showing everybody your haircut. Hey Fluffy. Oh, hey Chezzy. You're going to show everybody your bloomers? Oh, is that nice? Oh, squat scratchy bum bums. He loves having this spot on his tail. Scratched.
Mum, I did one of these Santa cards for Santa and I put it in the face.
Yeah, can you sit at the table with that food, please? Oh, let me show everybody the snug. Because look, we've got a Christmas tree. It's nearly finished. We just got a bit of skirting board to do and a step. But in the last video, they would have seen Daddy putting the floor down and us getting it ready. But there's my chairs, a little coffee table, my phone, cat basket, dog toys. There's my sideboard. The same one that was in the kitchen, I've just changed it. I've just put gold handles on to match. The utility room, same thing. Little pictures. They're from eBay. They are. And that one, and it was buy one, get one free. Oh no, sorry, it was buy two, get two free. It's the same thing. And a little star look.
What does it say? Channel 1.
These were from my mum's that Joel's brought home, and these were my mum's when she passed away. My mum picked them up and a little deer, so we put them on there. That was Nanny's, and then when she passed away, Nana had it, and then Nana's gave it to Joel, so we thought we'd put them up there where it's nice and safe. It's a little deer look. It's like Bambi.
It's Bambi.
You've never watched Bambi?
No, I've not. No, it looks like the baby reindeer from the Lion King.
Can you sit down at the table and eat your food, please? Go on then, Joel, please. Chezzy, you sit on the rug. And we've got underfloor heating as well, so the dogs sit on the rugs and lay on this floor and get nice and warm. Bambi is a deer, is a boy. Ted, what are you doing? I'm going to drink my tea, guys, and we will see you a bit later on. We've got kids' parties, swim training, and I've got work this evening. We will check in with you guys. Oh, let me show you the quick little photo from when we visited Santa. So this is last year's one. That was when we saw Santa last year. And I want to collect these, and then, where did I put it? On the tree, so it's there, look. And then that is this year's. Oh, today's. It's a bit dark, can't really see. So I'm going to get one. We're going to get the same one every year when we go, and as the kids grow up, and fill the tree with them. Right, we'll see you in a bit, guys.